else statement syntax. Okay, so here in this video I'm going to explain it very simple, so you just understand this in just one video. Okay, so the else block will get executed only when the if condition is false. Let's go with an example. Okay, I'm going to remove this and I'm going to go with a new one. Okay, so first let's go with the syntax. So if test underscore expression, okay, if this is true, then this block is from if block. Okay, and how about else? The else is going to be down here, so this part is the else block. Okay, so let me give you some explanation here. So this one, the if statement, you know the if statement, right? This will be a condition here. Okay, if it is true, then this will be executed, and this part is the if block. And this one, when it is false, then it will ignore this part and it will come to this else part, and it will execute the else block of code. Okay, let's remove this and try with a real example. So a is equal to 10, and down here let's go with if a is greater than 0, then I'm going to print a statement here and tell that it's a positive number, right? And here we have the else part. In else part we are just going to print negative. Okay, now what do you think? Because a is positive, so this condition is true, and it will return, or it will print this one. Okay, this text, positive number. If I change this to negative number, then this will be false and this block of code will be executed. So let's go with both of them. Okay, first I will try the first one, and okay, unexpected indent. Why? We don't have any unexpected indent here. Print. Okay, we have if and we have else. No, we don't have any kind of error at this, I'm sure. Let me sometimes we have error with that one. Okay, so we have positive number here because the number is positive, and when I add a negative here and condition is also true and a is greater, now when I change it to negative, this condition will be false and this block will not be executed, that will be ignored, and this block will be executed. Okay, let's select everything or all of them and then run the code. When I ran it, it is giving me that negative number, but before it was positive number. So this is about if and else statement syntax. Okay,